During daily use, it is advisable to conduct pressure calibration on the instrument on a regular basis. Attach the standard pressure calibration device to the fixture, lock the protective door. Select the Custom mode. Compare the reading of the precision pressure gauge with the values displayed on the machine. If the values are consistent, it proves that the pressure accuracy of the machine is accurate. Can set 3 stages of target pressure and holding time. After setting, simply press the Start button and pay attention to whether the pointer value on the pressure gauge is the same as the value displayed on the machine screen during the first stage of pressure holding. Now the first stage of pressure calibration is accurate. For the second stage of pressure calibration, the values displayed by the pressure gauge and the machine screen are also the same. For the third stage of pressure calibration, the values displayed by the pressure gauge and the machine screen are also the same. This proves that the pressure accuracy of the machine is accurate. Select Burst Mode. Once the initial pressure value is reached, pressure maintenance begins. After the pressure maintenance is completed, the pressure inside the plastic bottle increases until it reaches the maximum water injection expansion rate. User must preset the value in the expansion rate column. In this mode, the test is over once the sample reaches the maximum expansion rate. User set the product capacity, initial pressure, hold time, maximum filling expansion rate in advance. The parameters should be set beforehand. After setting the parameters, press the Start button to activate the machine. The equipment is automatically pre-filled with water. Once the bottle is filled with water, water will overflow from the overflow port. The equipment will automatically trigger the machine to enter the pressure test mode. Start applying pressure and you will see the real-time expansion rate on the screen changing. When the maximum expansion rate set is reached, the test is completed. You can click to view the curve graph, data table, and print the current test result. Select Fill Ramp Mode. The preset pressure is maintained for 10 seconds, then pressure continues to increase until the bottle ruptures. Test results is kJ/M. Set the product name, product capacity, initial pressure, hold time, rate in advance to the main interface. Then press Start button. The equipment automatically pre-fills water. If the reading deviates from 0, tap the 0 button to perform. Once the bottle is filled with water, water will overflow from the overflow port. A blank loss test must be conducted prior to the first formal test after start. The equipment automatically enters the testing mode and starts to apply pressure. It maintains the pressure at the set value for 10 seconds. Arm lift. Pendulum lifting function. After the pressure maintenance is completed, it will continue to apply pressure until the bottle bursts. The machine automatically detects the peak pressure at which the bottle bursts and the test is completed. You can click to view the curve graph, data table, and print the current test result.